Okay na yung bangarabi tayo amin karuwa, may isa kadagiti membros iti FDDPI, when Production Incorporated before the Kiduwo, iti agkasangay, ito ta, June 22, 2016. Apo, di jay suna, Hello Hawaii, kaya aming arod nga, kablawan ni suna, iti nagasat, ka nasalunat nga, happy birthday. Kabsat, Kathy Cabal Salvador, happy birthday. Good, dahil iti sonata para king ka. Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in my eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was him, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner from the moment I walked in, saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget you and the way it could have been. Why'd you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think there's someone you loved instead of me, 'cause at times like this I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last rain to be, to think that I was born too soon? How long, honey, when the loving don't come? I was there when you left, just didn't know how to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Again, happy birthday to you, Kapsat Kathy Cabal Salvador of Hawaii. Thank you very much for being our FDD Production Incorporated
Producer,
producer. Talagang matigang matumbok. Nagtagari nga ti aso. Ano
So, kaya?
talaga mga... Kaya na mga batiin ni Kabsat Kathy ti happy birthday. Ayan. Once again, from the 4 Decade Duo Production Incorporated, amin
Happy
nakarubas. Ito'y lubong. Happy birthday.